Yeah, apparently. Okay. Well, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ian Drake, and I'm here representing the Lube. Now, I'm willing to bet that most of you don't find getting an oil change a fun and rewarding experience. But why is that? Is it the fact that you have to deal with constant upselling, buying parts that you don't need, when all you want to do is get an oil change? Or what about the wasted time? You know, the time waiting in line, or while they're doing the oil change? Or what if you have to set up an appointment, find time in your busy schedule? What about the cost? The average Canadian changes their oil 4 to 5 times a year and can spend up to $450 a year just for basic mineral oil. Well, at the Lube Dude, we solve these problems. No more wasted time, no more wasted money, no more wasted oil, and we're environmentally friendly. So at the Lube Dude, what we do is once a year oil changes in shopping center parking lots. Now, what you do is you show up, you drop off your car at the shopping center as if you were just normally going shopping. You then come back to a car with fresh oil, a new filter, you know, your chassis is lubricated, and you didn't have to deal with a pushy salesman. Even better, you only have to do it once a year. Why we can do this is because a Lube Dude oil change is good for 25,000 kilometers or 1 year, and it's guaranteed for your engine's protection. We can do this because we use a 100% synthetic motor oil from AMSOIL, the leader in extended drain interval technology. They have given us a guarantee that if used with their filters, as specified, that they will guarantee the engine safety for the 25,000 kilometer change, or they'll replace it for no cost. But even better, these oils, they'll improve your miles per gallon, they'll reduce your emissions, they'll reduce your maintenance costs, and they don't freeze till negative 54 degrees Celsius, which means you don't have to plug in your car on cold winter nights anymore. Now you may be asking yourself, how much does a Lube Dude oil change cost if it's once a year? $129.99. And this number is half, less than half, than what average Canadians spend per year already. If you, for example, the normal Canadian drives 20 to 25,000 kilometers per year, and they pay around $60 per oil change at Mr. Lube or Min Lube. So this week would equal $300. And even more if you're talking about synthetics, up to about $450. So in comparison, the Lube Dude would save a basic mineral oil driver $170 a year, and a synthetic oil user $330 a year, all while providing with the same benefits that you would get by using a fully synthetic oil. Money isn't everything though. By using once-a-year oil changes, we're able to reduce the amount of oil used by up to 4 times. And with 18.5 million used vehicles in Canada alone, that has the potential to save up to 370 million liters per year. Think about that. That's a lot of oil. We go a step further too. We recycle all of our used oil, our used filters, our used bottles, so they can be reused in other products. But then we go another step and we equip all of our trailers with full-scale solar systems. Our solar system, yeah. And what it does is it makes sure that all electricity used in the pumps on site is environmentally friendly and off the grid. Now, to date, what we've done is we've had a test season, and we've built and tested this at Crossiron Mills. We've established location agreements with Ivanhoe Cambridge, who has many AAA-rated malls across Canada, the most prominent in Calgary being Crossiron Mills and Deerfoot Meadows, where we do plan on opening April 19th for our first season this year, so you should all check it out. We've trademarked and trade named across Canada the Lube Dude and its logos. We have gotten supplier relationships with AMSOIL and have received a T1 certification from them. And we've also put skin in the game. I've put in personal investment as well as personal loan or student loans. So what happened is, so we've also incorporated this company. And with the shares split between 2 people, myself, where I've raced cars and worked on cars for a number of years, and for a number of those years I've worked at Certigar, professionally changing oil on nearly every make and model that you could think of. My father's the other partner in this, and he's been part of the growth and development of many prominent companies within the province, including Glenwood, Excel, and Jamin Homes. We've also built a board of advisors that include lawyers, CGAs, and other industry professionals to help us down the road. Now, we are asking for $10,000, and with that investment, it'll allow us to open up a second location for this upcoming season, and also allow us to hold a second line of oil that's just a bulk oil, so we can use a penetrative pricing strategy to get people into the Lube Dude, so then we can educate them on the advantages of using AMSOIL. Now, I'd like to thank you for your consideration, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your week.